Hey guys, welcome back. Episode 16 of the Chevy 3100 build. Today's gonna be a short video, but I'm gonna show you guys a little tip on, I'm sure a lot of you guys probably already know this. I learned it from someone in my family, but I'm just gonna stain this wood, but I'm gonna be using motor oil instead of actual wood stain. This isn't the wood that's going to be staying in here. Eventually I'm going to get nice bed wood, but for now I'm going to seal this. I'm also replacing the gas cap to push one so I don't have to use the key, but I'm just going to pull that out and plug that hole up, and then I have plenty of used motor oil here, so I get started on staining that. But also, if you watched the last video, you saw I was in the process of staining the C, or dyeing the C, sorry. Here's it so far. Still have to do maybe one or two more passes, two in some areas like that, and then a little bit down here. But I also have to go back with the brush and get in these grooves. But so where it's at for now, I just put a coat on it, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and then put another one on there. But it's definitely looking better than the red in my opinion. But next, gonna get this done really quick and then replace that cap. But so here's actually the new one. Just pushes that up and then this twists. But the one in there right now, I have a key that came with it, and I always have to have the key on me. I just have it in a little key compartment in the glove box. But this is gonna be a lot easier, so I'm just gonna use this. But I'm gonna switch it out real quick, and then right after I stain the wood though. So here's halfway through. I've been using this little sponge roller. I tried like an old rag, and it just catches on the wood because it's just standard plywood. Actual bed wood's a little smoother, so it glides better. But so I just started using it for just like under the bed rails, and then just rolling the rest. But so far I think it looks a lot better in my opinion. So I'm just gonna finish up the other half and then let it dry for a little bit, let the wood soak up, and then I'll put the new cap back on. All right, just finished doing all the passes on the bed wood. I think it looks a lot better. I did the back last, back here. Actually, it looks a little darker. Might have to add a little bit more so that flows, or let that dry up, see how it looks. But here's the final product basically. Like I said, I might have to add a little bit more here so it blends in, because it does look a little darker up there. But other than that, I think it looks a lot better than it did. And I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit and then put the new filler neck on there, and then it'll be done. Quick little clip also, I want to thank you for 130 subscribers. Hoping to get 200 soon, but thanks so much for subscribing and following along. All right, new fillers in. It's a lot better than the old one, but that's in. And then everything looks good. Push that back down. Looks a lot better in my opinion. I also just put the passenger mirror on, because I never had that on, because you have to drill the holes for these, because they didn't come with passenger mirrors from factory, if I can block the light. But so both mirrors are on now, and the wood stained, and I got the new filler neck in there. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.